Hello, I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see how you can use our Audible Weather API. This API allows you to get an audio file with the description of the weather description for a specific geolocation, latitude and longitude. So first thing you need to do is go to this URL right in RapidApi, and you will be able to see this. You will see that you can test the endpoint, right? And I'm sorry, use this one. Well, you can use, there are two endpoints. You can use the send location weather to email to send the WAV file or the sound file in WAV or WAV format to your email, or you can download it. That's what this other endpoint does. We are going to use the download location weather. So we go and hit test endpoint, right? And you will see that here we get like an OK, right? Some of the headers. We get the content dispositions, attachments, file name is audibleweather.wav, file name, all that, right? So I already configured Postman with this. So basically what we do is we create a new post request in Postman, right? We set the URL for the endpoint, which is this one, and we copy it. We set the latitude and longitude parameters in Postman too, so you will see it in here, right? And we specify the headers, the X RapidApi key and the X RapidApi host, along with the use query string. As soon as I hit send, the request is going to be performed, and when we get the data, what we will get is a WAV file, a binary response. So you will see it like this if you are using Postman, but you can go save response, save to a file, and you save it, and you will be able to see the file in here. Now, I am working on a remote machine, so if you hear the audio, you will probably hear it a little bit cut, not really smooth. It doesn't, the real file doesn't sound like that. That's just because my sound delays a little bit when working inside a remote machine.
Weather information for 100 Dolorosa, San Antonio, Texas, 78205. Report from Saturday, March 27, 2021. It's a cloudy day. 28.1 Celsius. Wind speed 7 kilometers per hour.
So that was basically how you can download an Audible weather data for a specific geographic location using your latitude and longitude. Remember, visit this link in RapidApi. You can also do in market search. You can in RapidApi marketplace. You can search for PTI Costa Rica, and you will see all of the APIs that we have uploaded in there. Also, if you want to generate code for a couple of languages, you can go to C#, C, Clojure, right, HTTP, all that, and RapidApi will actually help you to generate it quickly. So if I go here, C# HTTP client, you will see that it actually gives me a base code to generate the call. One thing that you may notice is that we have this content in here. This is actually not needed. That's RapidApi inserting it. We are probably going to change this to a get soon, so you won't have to. You don't even have to send the content or anything, because this is actually not required at all. Please let us know how you will use the API. Thank you very much and have a great day.